One of the most powerful ways people build long-term wealth in America is through real estate ownership. But the key question many people ask is, how exactly does real estate create wealth over time? Today, I'm going to break down how real estate builds long-term wealth, the four major wealth building mechanisms, and how everyday homeowners and investors can use property ownership to create financial security. My name is Joe Luca, Realtor, and on this channel, I help buyers, sellers, and homeowners make smart real estate decisions to create the best possible outcomes for their future. Now, let's start with number one, why real estate is a wealth building tool. Historically, it's been one of the most reliable ways to build wealth for several reasons. Unlike many other investments, real estate offers multiple ways to grow financially at the same time. When you own property, you can benefit from property appreciation, mortgage paydown, rental income, and tax advantages. What makes real estate unique is that these wealth building strategies can work simultaneously, creating wealth and what many investors call compound wealth growth through real estate ownership. Even people who never become real estate investors often build significant wealth simply by owning their own home for a long period of time. Okay, next, the four ways that real estate builds wealth. Let's look at number one, property appreciation. Over time, real estate values have historically increased. While markets can move up and down in the short term, long-term property appreciation has been one of the strongest drivers of homeowner wealth in the United States. This means the home that you buy today may be worth significantly more in the future. Two, mortgage paydown. Every time you make a mortgage payment, you are slowly building equity in your property. Part of the payment reduces your loan balance. Over time, that equity becomes part of your personal net worth. So essentially, you're paying yourself through ownership rather than paying rent to someone else. Number three is rental income. If you own an investment property, rental income can create ongoing cash flow. Many investors use rental income to offset mortgage payments, generate passive income, and even reinvest into additional properties. And if you're in Rhode Island, you can have an accessory dwelling unit added to your single-family home, which you can rent out. So this is one reason why real estate investing is often part of long-term wealth growth strategies. And number four, tax advantages. I'm not a tax professional, but real estate ownership can provide valuable tax benefits depending on your situation. Examples may include mortgage interest deductions, depreciation for investment properties, and capital gains exclusions for primary residences. And if you're really into it, even 1031 exchanges. Of course, it's always wise to consult a qualified CPA or tax professional, but these tax advantages are one reason real estate is often considered a tax-efficient investment. All right, long-term thinking is very important. It's key. One of the biggest mistakes people make in looking at real estate through a short-term lens. Real estate tends to reward people who look at long-term horizons. For example, homeowners who stay in a property for 7 to 10 years or longer, investors who hold rental property over time, and buyers who gradually build equity through ownership. Real estate wealth is usually built through consistency and patience, not quick speculation. All right, next, getting started. The right way to do it. If you're thinking about using real estate to build wealth, it's important to start with a strategy that fits your goals. For some people, that means buying their first home, purchasing a multifamily property, investing in a rental property, or gradually building a portfolio over time. Those are 4 different areas. The most important step is understanding the local real estate market, the financial risks, and the long-term opportunities. That's where working with an experienced real estate professional can make a meaningful difference. And you also want on your team an experienced lawyer and lender. So, if you're interested in learning more about how real estate can help you build long-term wealth, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I regularly share educational content on real estate investing, buying and selling homes, market trends, and strategies for building financial security through real estate. And if you'd like guidance for your own situation, please feel free to reach out. I'm Joe Luca, Realtor, and my goal is always to help my clients make smart, informed decisions that create the best possible outcome for their future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.